Welcome back to Riotouch, showing you something about UFile. UFile is a file management system that allows you to doing the internal local storage file management and also the USB file address storage management. Also, we allow you to use the drive and cloud like Google. You have a login and Google account. To make sure it functions well, we only obtain several permissions. Like the drive API permission to make sure we access to the file list and metadata API permissions to make sure we access into the file tab. Within these permissions, we can do access to the Google Drive. After that, we allow you to download and also select, delete, upload. All the file and data will be handled locally without any kind of advertisement. Here's about UFile policy by Riotouch.